for your prayers. And I do again apologize for having to leave the university today and to be able to help to attend to my little ones. And some of them are feeling better and other ones are still not. And so we'll see how it goes over the weekend. But wanting to for you to just so we can speed things up a little bit when we come together on Tuesday for our group time. For our group time, if you can, this is going to be on page 18. So page 18, in preparation for Tuesday, if you can go through these different passages, so read Genesis chapter 11 verses 1 through 9, and then answer the question that corresponds then to that passage. So for this one, why did God disperse the people at Babel? So read through the passage and then try to identify why that happens. You may even find that this is in connection to Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 and 28. So the identity and the purpose of humanity. But so try to answer that the best you can, and then read through Genesis 12, 1 through 3. What promises do we find there? Same thing with Genesis 15, 1 through 6, and then Genesis 17. On the bottom, being able to read through these passages and try to see if you can find that there is a common link in all of these passages, which is going to then summarize Genesis 12 through 50, the main theme, the storyline, and how it's all connecting together. And then, once completing page 18, go to page 24, so 24 in your notes. And in page 24, then again, doing the best that you can to answer these questions. So explain the significance of Exodus 1, verses 1 through 7. So see what is recorded there, what is happening. And then number 2, going back to Genesis 15, verses 13 through 17. So what does God talk about in that passage? What is he already anticipating is going to happen to his people? And then 3 is tied into that. So why does God permit his people to suffer for 400 years? And then number 4, explaining Exodus chapter 12, verses 37 and 38. So it's a significant passage as the people are leaving Egypt. And then number 5, how does the nation of Israel fulfill their holy vocation, so their purpose? And that is according to Exodus 20. So what do we find in Exodus chapter 20? So identify what is in that chapter. And then for the last question, so how does Exodus 40 demonstrate that God is fulfilling his covenant with Abraham? That just see what is recorded in Exodus 40, in particularly the very last verses. So the very last verses of the book of Exodus, what does it talk about? What is being constructed? And what is happening within that sacred location. So that'll help this when we come in on Tuesday, that we can jump right in, get through, finish up where we left off, which was on Genesis 1, and then moving into seeing Adam, who had this function as a priest, and then we'll begin to then dive into looking at the questions that you completed. It'll make it that much faster when we get into our groups. Everyone already has the answers, and that'll help us to make up some time that we lost from today. And so I hope that is helpful. And once again, thank you for your understanding, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday. Shalom.